Minister Nongthumam Biren hosted at-home function event at CM Secretariat on the eve of Armed Forces Veterans Day today. Speaking at the program, the Chief Minister expressed gratitude to Armed Forces for their spirit and contribution to the nation. He also reiterated the government's commitment to support those who have served the nation. And Biren went on to assert that efforts are on to develop a memorial park by identifying a suitable location in Imphal, reminding that a similar park for Manipur police had already been developed inside First Emma ground. He maintained that it would not be feasible to develop another structure at the same location, citing congestion. The Chief Minister also lauded armies, Assam Rifles and CAPFs for coordinating with state police in mitigating the ongoing crisis, while claiming that the situation has been improved.
और अभी मणिपुर में जो हो रहा है इसमें आर्मी असम राइफल्स का आप लोग का रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी के साथ जो काम कर रहा है वी अप्रिशिएट यू फ्रॉम द गवर्नमेंट साइड यू आर कोऑर्डिनेटिंग वेल विद द स्टेट police department and now almost with good coordination between the central paramilitary forces, army and the state police. The situation is improving and the normalcy is restoring slowly. I wish all of you that you will extend the full cooperation in bringing this in the state of Manipur. I am seeking from you all the veteran also kindly advise, suggest in bringing peace and normalcy in the state of Manipur.